Good morning, children. Today we will start MSc Standard 3. Chapter 3, Respect Your Elders. Here is one story about old man. An old man lived with his son, daughter-in-law, and a 5-year-old grandson. The family ate together at the dining table every night. Here is one old man. He had one son, daughter-in-law, and one grandson. They lived together. The old man was over 80 years old. He had trembling hands and weak vision. Every day, he would drop food on the table while eating. Sometimes it was the curry, at other times the vegetable. Once the glass towel fell from his shaky hands and shattered to pieces. The old man is 80 years old and his hand is trembling and weak vision. So, he would drop food on the table while eating because his hand is trembling, and sometimes it was the curry and other time it was the vegetables, and once the glass tumbler fell from his shaky hands when he was drinking water. Maybe that time his hand is shaking and the glass fell down and it was two pieces. Tush, tush, father, you are so clumsy. His son and daughter-in-law would always say, getting irritated. His son and daughter-in-law get irritated. Why? Because the father is making this type of things. That is why they get irritated. One day, the daughter-in-law said to her husband, you must something about your old father. You must do something about your old father. I cannot buy new travelers and dining sheets every day. Can I? Then one day, the daughter-in-law said to her husband, you must do something about your old father. I cannot buy a new glass or dining sheet every day. Can I? Together they came up with an idea. Then they together made one idea. They decided to set up a small table at the side of the room where grandfather would eat alone. And they decided they will set up a small table at the corner where the grandfather would eat alone. Grandfather was given an old and torn seat for his new table and a wooden tumbler so that it would not break on falling. Then they gave to grandfather one old glass and old sheet, and they made one wooden tumbler so that it will not break. Whenever it falls, it will not break. The young grandson watched his grandfather eating alone for some days, and a young son, he watched his grandfather is eating alone. One evening, before dinner time, the father noticed his young boy working with a bit of food. And one evening, before dinner, the father noticed his young boy is working with a bit of wood. What are you doing, son? Asked the father. And father came near to him and he asked, what are you doing, son? Oh, this father is a present for you. I am making wooden bowls for you and mother to eat your food in when you are old like grandpa. And that son replied, Father, I am making this for you and my mother. When you will become old like my grandpa, that time you will eat with this bowl. The parents of the boy were shocked. They did not say a word but cried tears of shame. They did not say anything to his son, and they felt shame. They realized that they had not shown respect and regard for their aging father. Together, they went to grandfather and gently holding his hand, led him back to the family table. And they felt shame. They realized that they did not show love and respect to their old father. Together they went to grandfather and gently holding his hand. Both of them they went to near to grandfather and they asked pardon or sorry, and they led him back to their family table. Many months went by. Today, the son and daughter in law do not say a word. When a spoon falls or a tumbler breaks, curry spoils the dining seat or vegetable spill, the little boy had taught his parents how to respect elders. And many months went by, but a single word they did not say to grandparent. Not, they do not say a word when a spoon falls or tumbler breaks or curry spills. Nothing. They did not say anything to grandparents. The little boy had taught his parents how to respect elders. The little boy taught their parents how to respect elders, how to give love. So, children, you learn always respect your elders, always support your grandparents, give love to your youngers, always help your grandparents. Okay. Moral of the story: respect is a character trait that enables a person to admire and rely on the competence of another person or self. Children should show respect towards their surroundings. They should not pluck flowers and break branches or flet stray animals with stone. They should be rewarded if they take care of them in some ways. So respect is a noble virtue. So always you should give respect to your elders, and you should not pluck a flower, should not break branches. That is not good.